Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another video with my Duke 790 aka Scalpel. Today I am heading towards a location called Savandurga Hills. It's a beautiful weekend destination, hardly around 60 kilometers from my place. I'm not going on a road trip as such. I'm just going there to fly my new drone. I bought a new drone, that's DJI Mini 2. It's an awesome budget drone, guys. And by the way, Baba got this drone for me from US. Thank you, Baba, for your help. So far I've been using DJI Spark drone, and this is the upgrade that I made. The main feature that I liked in this drone is it can record at 4K, and I'll have the flexibility to crop the footages while I'm editing. So that's the best part of this DJI Mini 2 drone. This is the latest version, and the previous version was DJI Mini drone. So in this Mini 2, it's upgraded. It has got some added features. I'm excited to fly it. Going forward, this will be my go-to drone for all my travel videos. One more thing I like in this drone is so compact, easy to carry. My previous drone, that is DJI Spark, used to take a lot of space in my bag to carry it, and this is so lightweight, so compact. So much fun to ride this again, guys. Awesome. By the way, I think I will have to replace the tires in next 1 or 2,000 kilometers. 30 to 40k investment on this bike for the new tires. So that's the pain part, guys, owning a super bike. You will have to go for the soft compound tires, and they will die soon. Oh shit, man. Shit, man. I can't just get away with it, man. This is the worst thing that can ever happen to any animal. I can't see vehicles like trucks go over the dead body. I can't just get away after watching this. I can't see vehicles go over it because I have lost my pet. It died like this only. It happened in the night. I wasn't there when I came back. This is what happened with my pet. All the other vehicles went through the dead body of my pet. That memory kicks in, man. I can't take it. And this is the worst thing that can happen to any animal. And this is common on highways. I don't know how to control this. They have to do fencing. I have no idea. Nice road, but it's narrow. Need to be careful. Superb view. It's almost 5 now, 5 p.m. Blind corners. I'm in this forest belt area. This road is in middle of the forest. I think this is one of the best routes for cycling. I'll have to get my bicycle over here one day It's gonna be fun. Basically, animals will not come on our way. It's vice versa. It's their area. It's their forest. We are going on their way. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಗುರುವೆ? ಹಂಪನ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಹಂಪಿನ ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಸಾವಂದುರ್ಗ ಹಿಲ್. ಸಾವಂದುರ್ಗ ಮೀಸಲು ಅರಣ್ಯ. This looks like a jungle dog. Okay. Nice road. Okay. Look at this hill. Giant rock. What do we call it? You name it. My God. Is this the place? Yes, I reached the destination. There is the entrance. Savanadurga. Another 450 meters from here. Okay. ಬೆಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಂಗೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು?
ಮೇಲೆ ಹತ್ತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್.
ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇದೆ? 2.5 hour ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಓ, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮೇಲೆ ಐತಾ?
ನೀವು 2ನೇ ಕೋಟೆ ಗಂಟ ಹೋಯ್ತೀರಾ, ಜನ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅರ್ಧದ ಗಂಟ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ. Man, I came late. It's already 5 o'clock. They are saying it takes around an hour or 2 hours based on one's stamina to climb up there. Need to see, man. Oh, I have to go there on top. I think trekking is going to take some time for me. What do I do now? If I start to trek, the sun will set by the time I reach there. I'll do one thing. I will find some other spot to fly my drone. I will come some other day to the same destination to do trekking. Somewhere in morning, I think, probably. But right now, it's too late. Guys, I'll make the move. I will go back to another destination. I saw a place, a beautiful place while I was coming over here, and I will do one thing. I will go there to fly my drone. So I will see you in the next destination, guys. This place seems interesting, kind of isolated. Don't see many people. This is fine to fly my drone. I'm done with flying the drone. There is one catch point. I'm not able to fly it above 20 meters. I have no idea why. There is some sort of restriction. Let me go out from this forest belt as early as possible, because it's not always safe to ride when it's dark in the forest belt area, because I see a lot of signboards there like Animal Crossing, something like that. One thing that I like the most in the drone is the battery backup. I almost continuously flew it for around 25 minutes, I think. I'll have to check that out when I go to home. DJI Mini 2 is faster than my DJI Spark drone. All in all, it's an awesome budget drone which I managed to get from US. But if you want to buy it in India, I think it's going to cost you around 60,000-70,000. You'll have to make a move because some localites are fighting out there near my bike. Let me make a move. Most of the time, localites will stop and want to see the bike, sit on that and do some stuff. I don't like that. I'm going back to the same place where I was sitting because I have a very bad habit of forgetting things nowadays. If you have seen my last post on my channel, the community post, I lost my G7X Mark II Canon camera, man. Oh, shit. Everything is clear. Haven't left anything. Look at my beautiful Duke 790. Guys, in my last trip I lost my G7X Mark II Canon camera, guys. That was my go-to camera for all my videos, for vlogging. It was so compact. I used to keep it in my pocket and I used to use it whenever I want to vlog. One of the best vlogging cameras available in the world. Whenever you are on travel, whenever you are stopping somewhere to click pictures or to have lunch in middle of nowhere, make sure you don't leave any of your belongings there. Just double check and then leave that place. If you leave something there and if you figure out after you reach home or in some other point, chances are very less to get back to your belongings. So whenever you leave, you just make sure the things are all inside your car or inside your bag or pocket, whatever, and then you leave. Otherwise, things will happen the way it happened with me. So guys, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video, probably riding a different motorcycle or going on a road trip with my Duke 790. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. ಅಣ್ಣ ಇದೇನು ಮರ್ಗೆಂಡ್ಸ ಇದು ಒಂಥರ ಹಸಿಗೈತಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಟಿಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಪ್ಪಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ ಭೂಮಿ ಗದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಪ್ಪಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕಪ್ಪು ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ
ಒಂದು ಪೀಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇದು ಇದು ಕೆಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಉರಿದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ